Alex here, and in this video I want to show you how easy it is to get your project from Skema into Revit. Now here you see a fully created project in Skema. I have all of my design catalog elements added to my residential tower and my hospitality tower, and now I want to bring it into Revit to further develop it and finish the project. So let's hop over to Revit and bring it in. Now in Revit, I can open up my Skema plugin, select the project I want to bring in, and you'll see it opens up different options within my project. I want to bring in my layout option. I'll import it and simply just save it, and then let Skema do its thing. And here's the results. In minutes, you get a high quality Revit model from Skema. Quite literally, BIM in minutes.